Thank you for joining me today. I'm in the gorgeous Fisher Paykel Experience Centre with Neil. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you. Thanks for being here today.
Thank you so much for having me. Now, I want to get into the kitchen and cook up a gorgeous dish. And this one here is a green-lipped mussel with coconut and lemongrass broth and a lime butter baguette.
That sounds incredible.
So this is a traditional take on a Moules Mariniere, which is a French classic bistro dish, which is normally served with a crispy baguette, which we have some today. And it's usually done with shallot and finished off with cream, but we're going to be doing an Asian twist on it today.
Okay, fantastic.
Are you ready to get in the kitchen and help me out today?
You just tell me what you want me to do.
Well, it's a very simple dish, but with your appliances and the gorgeous design, I'm sure it's going to be even easier.
Well, hopefully you'll see that they will give you the perfect results.
Let's do it. Let's get underway. Here's what you're going to need. Place the room temperature butter in the bowl of a stand mixer fitted with the whisk attachment. Whisk on high until the butter begins to turn pale. Add shallot, coriander, zest and juice of lime with a pinch of salt and whisk until well combined. Place the butter in a dish and place into the fridge on chill mode to set. Place the wok on high heat and once hot, add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, along with the shallots, ginger, lemongrass, and if using, Chinese sausage. Stir fry for 1 to 2 minutes. Next, add in the mussels and Chinese cooking wine and toss well. Cover with the lid and cook for 3 minutes until they all begin to open. Add the coconut milk and cook for a further 2 to 3 minutes until all the mussels have fully opened. Transfer mussels into a large bowl and garnish with coriander stalks, lime leaves and sliced chilli. For the baguette, place a ridged griddle on a smart zone and set to level 7. Cut the baguette in half lengthways, spread with a little of the pre-prepared butter and place on the griddle. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes until toasted and the griddle marks are present. Once cooked, remove from the heat and spread some extra butter on the baguette. Serve alongside the mussels with a glass of wine. Enjoy. Thank you so much for having me in the kitchen today, Neil.
Thank you for coming and thank you for creating such a lovely dish.
It's so simple. When your appliances are so beautiful to use, you can actually tell they're thoughtfully designed.
It's all down to the culture of innovation at Fisher Paykel.
I love it. Thank you so much. Make sure you jump onto the website for the full recipe and take